how many triangles can be formed by joining the vertices of a pentagon such that the triangles so formed have no side common with any of the sides of the pentagon. Now, pentagon means the shape will be something like this. Now, the question asked is how many triangles can be formed by joining the vertices of a pentagon. Now, for a triangle, we need three vertices. So if we select any three vertices, let's say this one, this one, and this one. If you join these vertices, you will get a triangle, but it will have this side, which is common with the triangle, as well as the outside pentagon. And we don't want that. Now, it is impossible to form any triangle by using any three vertices of this pentagon, but not including the sides of the pentagon. It is possible in a hexagon. For example, if we have a hexagon like this, now if we join these 3 points, these three vertices, 1, 2, and 3, the triangle thus formed has these sides, and none of these sides are common to the sides of the hexagon. So such triangles can be formed in bigger polygons, but it is impossible to do it in a pentagon. So therefore, answer will be 0.